Hey there, AppSec engineers! We've just launched a new AppSec Engineer Community for learners just like you. This is a place for you to meet other security enthusiasts, discuss anything related to application security, and ask questions if you need some help. Let me take you through a quick 2-minute tour of our community platform. You can just go to community.appsecengineer.com to get started. Alternatively, if you log into AppSec Engineer, you can click on this button on the top right, which will take you to the community page. This is basically like a forum for you to interact with other AppSec learners, so it's super informal. To get started, just create your account and sign up. Once you set up your profile, you'll be taken to the home page. You can get an overview of all the activity on the community from here. At the top here is a search bar. On the left, you can write a new post, but we'll come back to that in just a second. On the bottom left here, you'll see these spaces. These are individual discussion boards where you can post anything on a relevant topic. Questions, discussions, videos and articles, memes are all welcome. The update space is where you'll get information on new and upcoming courses on AppSec Engineer. General discussions is for, general discussions on anything related to AppSec, security careers, and more. The next 3 spaces are specific to security subtopics: cloud security, DevSecOps and automation, and Kubernetes and container security. Finally, we have the support space, where you can post a technical support question for anyone in the AppSec Engineer team or the community to answer. We also have a request page. Here you can post requests for future courses and live streams. We'd love to get your suggestions and make content that's tailored to you. And that's about it. The AppSec Engineer community is open to the public, so you can join our spaces and get chatting with all kinds of security professionals, from experienced pros to newbies. Join our community and start training on AppSec Engineer today. Never stop learning.